In this meal, we shall engage in the discourse concerning the art of crafting a delectable grilled chicken salad, adorned with a medley of mixed greens and cherry tomatoes, complemented by a tangy balsamic vinaigrette. This meal is thought to contain an approximate caloric value of 400. To execute this meal, procure a chicken breast weighing approximately 4 ounces. It is recommended to obtain and prepare a quantity of mixed vegetables of your choosing, totaling approximately 4 cups in volume. It is suggested that 1 cup of cherry tomatoes be procured and, if deemed appropriate, be halved to achieve optimal aesthetic appeal. In order to tastefully dress this meal, it is advised to incorporate modest amount of balsamic vinaigrette, measuring 1/4 of a cup. The method for preparing this dish is as follows. Utilizing medium heat, grill the chicken breast after having coated it with a spoonful of olive oil, taking care to ensure that the chicken is cooked thoroughly with a well-grilled exterior and properly cooked interior. Incorporate the salad, cherry tomato, and the grilled chicken breast into the dish. Finalize the dish by delicately drizzling a generous helping of balsamic vinaigrette over the contents of the dish. This meal, alongside with an array of other delicious low-calorie dishes, can be found in my book, The Obesity Solution, and the link is provided below.
Subscribe, bye bye.